हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हमारा आज का टॉपिक है माउंटेन टर्मिनोलॉजी। उससे भी पहले फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डू मीन बाय द टर्मिनोलॉजी। टेक्निकल एंड स्पेशलाइज्ड वर्ड्स और वोकैबुलरी यूज्ड इन अ पर्टिकुलर फील्ड, जैसे कि साइंस और मेडिकल फील्ड में स्पेशल वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड फॉर स्पेसिफिक टर्म। माउंटेनियरिंग इज ए वेरी वास्ट टॉपिक, सो उसे दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे, माउंटेन टर्मिनोलॉजी एंड रॉक टर्मिनोलॉजी। उसमें से आज माउंटेन टर्मिनोलॉजी देखेंगे। सबसे पहले हिल और माउंटेन किसे कहते हैं ये समझ लेते हैं। हिल मीन्स एन एरिया ऑफ लैंड दैट इज हायर देन अ सराउंडिंग लैंड। इट लुक्स लाइक अ लिटिल बम्प इन द अर्थ। हिल्स ज्यादा बड़े नहीं होते, चढ़ाई के लिए ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं होते। Whereas mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding land in a limited area, usually in the form of a peak. Mountains are more steeper and taller than hills. Mountains also have a steep slopes and sharp ridges and summit, which is the highest point. What do you mean by altitude, height and elevation? Altitude is the vertical distance between an object and a reference point where the object is not in a direct contact with the reference point. The reference point can often be the sea level. Altitude can also be the land surface, which is usually uses as a reference when describing the altitude of clouds. Means जो ऑब्जेक्ट और चीज डायरेक्टली सरफेस और रेफरेंस पॉइंट के कांटेक्ट में नहीं है उसे अल्टीट्यूड में डिस्क्राइब करते हैं। Height is the vertical distance between the top of an object such as a tree, building or a person and a land surface, where the object is in a direct contact with the ground. It is a measure of how far something protrudes above the land surface. For example, what is the height of Burj Khalifa? Elevation is the vertical distance between point on a land surface and the reference point. Elevation feet and meter में measure करते हैं। The word summit is derived from the Latin word summus, means highest. Therefore, it clearly states that summit is the highest point of the mountain. A col is the lowest point on a mountain ridge between two peaks. It may also called a gap. It's like a bowl-shaped top surrounded by head walls. For example, South Col between Mount Everest and Mount Lhotse. A spur is a lateral ridge or a tongue of a land descending from a hill, mountain, or a main crest of a ridge. A mountain pool or a lake formed in a cirque of a glacier is known as a tarn. Generally, tarn has a throughout the year water. Cornice is an Italian word. It means a ledge. It is a mass of overhanging snow deposited by wind, typically found on a ridge top or edge of cirque. Glaciers are made up of fallen snow that over many years compresses into large thick ice masses. Glaciers form when snow remains in one location long enough to transform into ice. Due to sheer mass, glaciers flow like very slow river. A very deep crack in the thick ice of a glacier is called a crevasse. Crevasses, which are usually deep, steep and thin. It's a serious danger for mountaineers. Famous Khumbu Icefall, the part of massive glacier on the south slope of Mount Everest in Nepal, is one of the most difficult obstacles for mountaineers. The Khumbu Glacier moves very rapidly and crevasses open very quickly. The lowest end of the glacier or starting point of the glacier is called a glacier snout, terminus or toe. A deposition of a mass of rocks, boulders, scree, sand and other rocky substance brought down along by the melting glacier is known as a moraine. A moraine is a material left behind by a moving glacier. This material is usually soil and rock. Moraines often act as a hurdle in the path of trekkers. There are 4 main types of moraine: lateral moraine, medial moraine, terminal moraine, and supraglacial moraine. Scree is an accumulation of a loose rock of a small size on a steep slope, which can be dangerous to walk on. It's dangerous because the rocks are unstable as they are only held in a place by the light contact with the neighboring rock. The routes through a mountain range or a ridge that makes a navigation possible and the less challenging path is called mountain pass. Generally, a mountain pass may be formed naturally between two volcanic peaks. Glacier activity, rain, running water from snow melt may also help to form mountain pass. That means the highest point of a route through a mountain range from one valley to another valley. Ridge, a long, narrow, elevated topographical feature consisting of a series of mountains or hill in a chain formation, with both of their sides sloping away, is called a ridge. It is one of the most basic and popular term in the mountain terminology. The low-lying land between the mountains or a hill, often with the river or a stream running through it, the feature is called a valley. Valleys are one of the most common landforms on the surface of the planet. There are 3 main types of mountain valleys: V-shaped valley, U-shaped valley, and flat-floored valley. Meadows is an open field predominated by the vegetation of a grass and other non-woody plant is called meadows. They are mostly of importance due to the vegetation they support and the role they play in ecological balance. Mountain meadows means an open pasture land or a field with a grass and flower growing on it. Verglass. It is a thin sheet or a layer of ice that forms over a hard surface such as a rock. Generally, trekkers come across this feature during winter treks. In short, verglass means a frozen water on a rocks or a grass. Cairn, a stack or pillar of stones artificially created by humans for various purposes, is known as a cairn. Cairn can be used to mark mountain bike and hiking trails and other cross-country trailblazing, especially in mountain regions. Cairns are often placed at a junction or in a place where the trail direction is not obvious. In short, cairns means route marking. I hope you have enjoyed and learned some new words which will definitely help you in your next altitude trek. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon in part 2 of mountain terminology. Till then, leave a comment about your experience with this presentation, or you can share your thoughts or ask questions in the comment section at the bottom of this video. Keep exploring.